To make instant dhokla, take oil and mix with the water. That's the first step. And you can use any instant dhokla mix. I'm using this particular. I don't think it does matter which brand you use. It just, you can buy from any Indian or South Asian grocery shop. In the mixing bowl, add this dhokla mix. Now we need to make batter out of this dhokla mix. Start adding this water and oil mixture slowly, and just make a smooth batter. And do not mix this too much, because we don't want to make a mess of this instant mix. And as you can see, very quickly it start getting bubbles. You see that means our mixture is ready. Any microwave safe stuff. I got this tiffin box, big tiffin box in fact, and apply oil. Now I'm going to pour this dhokla mixture in this oil box. Just shake it so that it becomes uniform everywhere, and I will cover it with the lid. I'm not closing it, just covering it, and then I'm going to put this on full power in microwave for 3 minutes. So I'm going to put this in the microwave. Here it goes. Let's check how it is. Looking very nice. See, it has come out very soft and very nice. And just let's take this out of this. Taking this out is very easy. Just put one plate over this and turn this around. You can see that my dhokla has come out very good. In the middle that got stuck in the box, so there's a little gap, but that's alright. Now we need to cut this in small pieces. Just cut in 1-inch pieces. After removing the middle part that was not very good, this is what I have got. It's looking very nice. When you see that I have spent only 5 to 10 minutes in including the microwave cooking, so it's very nice. Take 1 spoonful of oil, okay, little more, for making seasoning. Once the oil is hot, add mustard seeds, that is rye. Then add little amount of hing. As you can see, it will start cracking. And I'm adding few red chilies. Just break them in small pieces. Here I got few red green chilies. I have chopped them, basically sliced them like this, and just add these as well. And add the seasoning on the top of this dhokla. Just spread them, and our instant dhokla is ready in 10 minutes.